Corporate Misfits, there's one thing that I absolutely love that has truly changed my business. It's Kajabi. But there's another thing within Kajabi that can help you to generate sales on autopilot. It's funnels. But if you don't know how to utilize this particular component and make it effective into your business, well then it's not going to be a game changer. So I want to share with you how you can utilize Kajabi Funnels to make them effective and really work for you and your business and so much more. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business sharing their expertise. Now, I am so excited to talk all about Kajabi and funnels in your business, but before we dive in, I want you to check out the free resource library that I have for you that can help you with your digital products, whether you're looking to get started with them, market them, and so much more. I can walk you through some of those different stages within that resource library. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Okay, let's talk about Kajabi Funnels, because a lot of people want to utilize Kajabi for websites, online courses, but then they start to get to play around with the platform and they see funnels. And whenever you see the word funnels, sometimes it's the F word that a lot of people dread, and it can keep you from actually moving forward. But if you know what you're going to be utilizing funnels for and so much more, you can really create an effective game plan and utilize this platform in a way that works for you. So the first thing you want to do if you're looking to utilize Kajabi's funnels, before you jump into the blueprints, before you start playing around with landing pages and opt-in pages and things like that, the first thing I want you to ask yourself is, what is your purpose for your funnel? If you know what you're looking to achieve, it will help you to pick the best funnel for your business. So what I like to do is I like to ask myself, is my goal for this funnel, is it just to generate new leads to my email list? Is it to get people to a workshop? Is it to get people to a conference? Or is this funnel a place where I want to get more people to go to my email list and then go to a paid product? What is my purpose for this funnel? Now, when I clearly understand what my purpose is, it then helps me to go into Kajabi and select the proper blueprint that I am looking to get started with. Now, if I don't see the blueprint for the purpose of what I'm trying to do, well, then it's important for me to know that I'm going to be starting from scratch and know exactly what elements need to go in place. Now, in order for you to be able to start from scratch, you need to know exactly what your game plan is for your funnel. Some of the ways that you could do that is through creating blueprints on like Funnelytics and things like that. Those are some of the platforms that I use to help understand what my funnel is going to be about. The next thing you want to do is create a journey for your audience. So, for example, after someone opts into a lead magnet, what's the next step I want for my audience? Do I want them to go to a thank you page? Do I want them to go to a tripwire page? Do I want an email to trigger? It's important for you to be very clear on what your journey is going to be for your audience, because if you're not clear on what the journey is, well, nor will your customer. So it's important that you know, hey, I am looking to have my customer opt in, and then I want to present a paid product to them. And then from there, I want to tell them thank you if they decide not to move forward, and give them some of my free resources like a podcast or a YouTube channel, or follow me on social media. This helps to create a clear understanding of what it needs to be included with your funnel versus you just jumping on a blueprint and not really meeting the needs of what you want your customer journey to be. This also helps you to be able to create the proper pages for your funnel when you know exactly what the journey is going to be, so that then whenever your customers are going through each stage of the funnel, they are not guessing on what's next, and they are properly guided and can be led to where they need to go. Okay, so the next thing to really create an effective funnel is to be able to make sure that it is mobile friendly. So many people are jumping on the sales pages, opt-in pages, things like that via their phones. So if for any reason it's not mobile friendly, I promise you people will immediately jump off. They might not even sign up. So we want to make sure that it is mobile friendly for customers to move forward and get excited about your funnels. Now, the next thing I want you to do is make sure you have urgency and have some sort of call to action on your funnels. That could be a call to action button that says, take the next step. You might have scarcity where you have a countdown timer, or this might be a limited time offer, or you have something that gets your customers to take action. One thing I have found is whenever I go to a sales page or I go to an opt-in page and there's no type of next action for me, well then I might skip over that as a customer and not move forward. So we want our customers to take action and move forward into the next stage of the funnel. And one of the ways that you could do that is by providing either scarcity, urgency, or some sort of call to action to get your customers to take the next step in their journey. And finally, I want you to keep track of your actual funnel performance. A lot of people create funnels and they get excited because they created a funnel, but if your funnel's not properly performing, meaning you're not getting people opting in or buying your product or things like that, well then ultimately you need to make some changes. You need to rearrange some things. Either you need to tweak your landing page, you might need to tweak your design, you might need to tweak your copy, really pay attention to what's working and what's not. This will help you to create an effective funnel in Kajabi so that then when you have customers come to the beginning of your funnel, they're actually converting and making their way through the journey. Okay, corporate misfits, if you are looking to try out Kajabi, I want you to check out a very special offer I have for you. You can play around with the funnel, see if it's a good fit for you, and if for any reason it is, well then you can start utilizing it for your business and start seeing some conversions and being able to generate some sales and revenue. Okay, corporate misfits, I will see you soon, and until next time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Hey there, corporate misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.